Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build your first JavaScript code. So the first thing that you want to do is if you do not have I would recommend, if you don't have, opening up your Visual Studio Code. If not, you can download it. It's free. However, you can also use any other editing. Like you could use Notepad or Notepad Plus. You can even use Dreamweaver to build in your JavaScript code. But I downloaded Visual Studio Code platform. It is free to download. So the first thing, and as you can see, I'm in it right now. So the first thing that we do want to do is we want to go ahead and we're going to go in and create a new file. Then we are going to name the file index.html. And we are going to put it in a different folder. Actually, we're going to rename this. Instead of index, we're just going to name this like example. Actually, let's keep it there. Let's just go ahead and delete this one. That way it's just easier that way. And then we're going to go ahead and name this index.html. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to write in the code. So I have the code right here. I'm going to be typing it in just so you can see it. Doc type, and as you type in, it will, if it recognizes what you're putting in, it will autofill it, and all you would have to do is just select enter. So we're going to do HTML, and it shows up where, so you just click enter, and then you close it, one of those. And of course, it's really helpful because it autofilled the closing HTML. So the opening HTML is the ones with the brackets without the slash. The one with the slash is it's the end of the HTML coding. And then we are also going to add head. So of course, it's going to do the exact same thing. That is what I like about using a software more than using Notepad, because it will autofill the codes, it recognizes it. So now I'm going to put in the title, and of course it does the same exact thing, and we're going to write down GS practice. Practice. And there we go. So we're going to go back over. Let me move my little timer. So after the opening, then after the closing head with the slash, we're going to put in body. And we're just going to click enter because it already selected it. And then we're going to do the same thing here. And then next thing we're going to do is write down script. We're going to close it out. And then we are going to be, and so then the next thing, this is where we are adding our JavaScript. So we're going to put in the word alert. We're going to say hello. hello world. And then after every parentheses or after any command we give it, you always want to put a semicolon after there. That is part of the code. And then so that is it. That's our HTML code. So now I usually just like to save it. And then we're going to go back into our folder where I created it, and it's under my JavaScript folder right here. And so I'm going to open up, I'm going to double click on this, and there you go. It's going to have a pop-up. You should see a pop-up that says hello world. And that is a very simple task of JavaScript. I hope this video helped, and I have more coming, so just stay tuned. Thanks.